Grundfos is committed at its core to focus on research and development, trying to explore what's needed in the market, how can we make systems better, buildings more efficient, and developing solutions for them. Grundfos is most known for our innovative and reliable products. We've not only changed the game in regards to how you distribute hot water or chilled water energy throughout the building, but we've also simplified the installation and the system setup. To squeeze efficiency out of buildings, the systems have to become more simple. Like, we can do a lot of things with the equipment that we've had today or in the recent past, but getting them set up is the problem. They almost never get set up the way they're intended to. So what we've been doing more and more and more is trying to build controls that are intuitive and application specific, so that right out of the box, with a few changes of parameter settings, you can realize the efficiency that you're looking for. Some of the more interesting projects that we have going on right now not only deliver a high level of efficiency, but also simplify not only the design of the system, but streamline innovation. From design to installation, we can facilitate the implementation of distributed pumping that's going to deliver the efficiency that owners are looking for today. 20 years ago, we did not have the technology to effectively do distributed pumping. And today we do. It's available everywhere, and it's really right out of the box, ready to go. The pumps and the pump systems, the solutions that we provide them are going to work, and they're going to work efficiently for a long, long time.